The lessons I've learned the hard way in the stock market are always pay attention to news, have a valid risk-reward strategy, and always work stops on an automated basis.
Memorable times, market events you've witnessed over the years. Tell us about some of the bigger ups and downs and how traders reacted, and yourself as well.
So memorable times for me in the trading world would be the 1999-2000 tech bubble, where you saw valuations from very small startup companies expanding exponentially over the space of not days, just hours. And in addition to that was the 2001 tech crash, where you saw the same companies that were previously very well liked effectively going bust. And then also the 9/11 attacks in 2001, where the US stock market was closed for 2 days, the first time since the Second World War.
And how did that affect you using? What's it like for you on the sort of coalface when those events happen?
With regards to the tech bubble, for a trader, you almost had to relearn how you would value or analyse stocks. Those valuations were not part of what I was taught on a micro or macro basis, but the movements were real and they were still happening, so you had to adjust your trading style to that. And then also on the way down in the 2001 crash, you had to then readjust that these stocks obviously were out of favour and that a new trading strategy had to be initiated.
Was it enjoyable?
It was enjoyable to certain parts. Some parts, especially the 9/11 attacks, were effectively like a new era. Like I say, I can't remember a time where the US stock market was ever closed in a weekday since the Second World War. So it brought in a new way of trading and a new risk, which was geopolitical risk.
Does history repeat itself?
I don't think history repeats itself in terms of financial markets. I think there's different phases on how traders, investors and market participants react to different news, but I don't think history repeats itself.